Chloe and I are going to a different Airbnb here in Chicago. She's taking the train and I'm riding my bike. And for both of us, it says it takes about an hour. For me, it's like an hour 15. That's what it says for a bike, but I'm faster than what Google Maps predicts. How fast is yours?
Google Maps said that I'll get there like 15 minutes.
Okay, it's gonna be tight, but I think I can do it.
Okay.
Because like you have to walk.
Yeah, I can walk.
And I'll just go straight there.
Yeah.
And we're going from station to station to make it as fair for the train as possible.
So how far is it? Like a 12 mile or what?
Yeah, 12, 13 miles about. I think I can do it.
Okay, see?
All right, bet. Let's go. I'll see you there. This video is sponsored by Wabi Cycles. And if you're looking to cop yourself a Wabi special, you're in luck because finally we have some good news. Wabi specials are back in stock. You can go to Wabi's website right now and order the same bike that's so good, it's the only bike that I own. But if you want something a little more special in your Wabi special, Wabi and I have been working together on this upcoming special, which are slated to be out in early April. Wabi Classics, their most popular model, are also expected to be in stock by the end of this month. Or if you're looking for their top tier Columbus Spirit, which is some of the lightest steel tubing that money can buy, they're in stock right now and you can just hop on over to the website and get one if you want. Check out Wabi Cycles linked in the description. It's possible. Because she has to transfer and like walk a few blocks. Sometimes the train gets delayed at the station, has to wait for a signal or whatever. Oh, and I have this lovely bike trail. If she's on that train, I don't think I can beat her. But if she's on the next train, I have to wait for one, then it's game on. I do need to pace myself because I have about 30 pounds of gear on my back. I also need to go slow enough not to get lost. So my strategy is to not get lost. I am going to the lakeshore bike path, and it is a little longer, but I anticipate it'll be smoother, and it's very predictable. It just goes north to south. The biggest time sink would be if I get lost, so I'm trying to limit that as much as possible. Don't do a Nissan Rogue. Oh, you're doing it, Nissan Rogue. No. Here's a problem. I know there's a way to the lakeshore path from here. I just don't know where it is. Because it is separated by a highway. Oh, there it is. Pedestrian showed me the way. Yeah, there's an underpass. Nice. Should be smooth sailing from the lake, as long as I don't miss my exit on 53rd Street. How pretty is that? My God. Any Chicagoans that say Chicago is overrated, when you have this available to you, you clearly haven't lived anywhere else, because this is fantastic. I'm guessing right now, Chloe must be transferring and walking to her next station. So she's probably by Millennium Park, which is just south of here. That said, she has to get off the train, go up the stairs, walk a few blocks, get down some other stairs and wait for the next train, which may or may not be there immediately. Whereas I can just keep cruising smoothly. They say a poor carpenter blames his hammer. And you know what, I'll say it. If I lose, it's not because I'm slow. It's because I have 30 pounds of clothes, camera gear, laptops on my back. And I have studded tires on when I really don't need them. Luckily, I'm out of the wind, or out of the headwind. Just cruising at 18.2 right now. Not too shabby. I'll still stay to the right just in case anyone wants to pass me. Ooh, where do I go? Where do I go? I'm risking it. That's just like a highway underpass. We have got some blue lines on my map that indicate bike paths, but they're not connected. Maybe the map is just outdated. Please, please. They just connected. It'd be so much faster. Oh, is this the connection? I just missed it. I thought it brought you into downtown. It looks like there is a connection. Good to know for my my group ride tomorrow. Nice thing about the city is that things are always changing. And if it's a well-populated city, changing for the better. Oh, God. Beautiful. So nice seeing people out and not in cars. That is the standard of living that I'm coming from. Oh, I still got a ways. Maybe this is a spoiler, but I think Chloe beat me. I doubt that grabbing the center of the handlebars is actually making me more aerodynamic. Because I have a backpack carrying a messenger bag right now. Definitely slowed down. Which means I was going too fast in the beginning. Now I'm cruising at like 16. What's up? Let's go! Yeah, let's go. I'm going to Hyde Park.
Hey.
What's your name?
I'm Ethan.
Ethan, nice to meet you.
Yeah, you too.
I'm actually... Thank you.
What's that? Yo, you should take a video of me doing a wheelie and put it on your Instagram.
For sure.
Oh.
Let's go. But only if you pull me to Hyde Park, because I'm racing my girlfriend right now. She's on the train.
I need to go eat food.
Yeah, all right. Hey. Oh. Whoa. Sick.
Yo, I'm gonna see you tomorrow night.
For sure.
Have a good night, bro.
You too. Later, Ethan. I love Chicago. People are so cool. I guarantee you, Ethan is not a paid actor. That was a real moment that we had. People actually smile on the bikes here. It's not like California. 35th? Oh, I've got a long way to go. I need to be at 53rd. Let's see how far I've biked. 11 miles. I'm guessing it'll be about 15 total. This race isn't looking too hot. Oh, come on. Oh, come on, legs. That's so close. Hyde Park. Where's the station? It's somewhere here. It's somewhere here. Excuse me. Do you know how to get to the Hyde Park station?
Your best bet is to go down here
Down that one.
on 51st. Because I live on 51st.
For sure.
So, yeah.
51st.
Yeah, 51st. So
All right.
That's your best one.
Great. Thank you. Oh my gosh. There's one right here. I just missed it. All right, so this is 53rd. I was at 51st. I didn't see any labeling what station it is. 55th. Okay, well, I'll meet you there then. But the point is, I think I won. I'm at the 53rd station. I've been here for like 5 minutes. Okay, I'll meet you at the coffee shop then. Chloe! So how was the train ride?
So because you filmed your intro and I missed the train,
That's not cheating though.
you literally closed the door in front of me.
You
the
could
next one is 10 minutes.
You could have walked in the front or like a little faster to catch anyway, I actually saw the train that left that you missed.
You see that?
Yeah, I was like, oh, she's on that train, I'm losing.
10 minutes.
Yeah.
Are you standing there for 10 minutes?
But because you missed the train, it was pretty much a tie. So I am as fast as a train.